Welcome to the best picks. The best Schwinn Ic4 is probably one of the most sought-after indoor cycling bikes on the market, offering a premium experience that rivals boutique fitness studios right in the comfort of your own home. If you're looking to elevate your home workouts with a high-quality, feature-rich, and incredibly smooth ride, then this bike might just be the perfect addition to your fitness arsenal, providing an immersive and effective cardio session every time you hop on. Number 5. YOSUDA Exercise Bike. Introducing the YOSUDA Exercise Bike, your perfect partner for a healthy lifestyle. Designed for home use, it brings the gym experience to you. With over 2 decades of experience, YOSUDA is a brand trusted by millions of families worldwide. We stand behind the quality and reliability of our fitness equipment. Our latest magnetic control system ensures an incredibly quiet workout, with noise levels below 20 decibels. Enjoy your exercise without disturbing others, even after extensive use. This stationary bike features a 25 pounds flywheel and a heavy-duty steel frame for exceptional stability. Experience powerful resistance for an effective workout every time. Designed for safety, it supports up to 300 pounds and includes adjustable pedals for secure footing. The emergency stop bar allows for instant braking, ensuring peace of mind during intense sessions. Enjoy a comfortable ride with adjustable handlebars and a padded seat. It's designed to accommodate users of various heights, from 4 feet 8 inches to 6 feet 0 inches. Track your progress with the LCD display and connect to our smart app via Bluetooth. Explore virtual riding scenarios and competitions for a more engaging fitness journey. What we like. If you're looking for a whisper-quiet workout at home, this is the one. Its advanced magnetic system ensures minimal noise, even with heavy use. It also offers smart app connectivity for engaging workouts and a robust 300 pounds weight capacity for stability. Choose this if you need a reliable and quiet indoor cycling experience that keeps you motivated. What people say. The bike is very sturdy and stable, even when riding at high speeds. The resistance is smooth and quiet, making it a great option for home workouts. The console is easy to read and navigate, and it provides a lot of useful information about your workout. Number 4. Bikeroo Extra Wide Replacement Saddle. Experience ultimate comfort on every journey with our extra wide replacement saddle. Designed to fit both indoor and outdoor bikes, it ensures a smooth and enjoyable ride, no matter the distance. Our advanced cushioning, molding, and suspension systems are built for peak performance. These seats provide exceptional support, making them ideal for all riders, especially seniors and those who prefer an upright position. Constructed for heavy, regular use, this saddle offers unparalleled reliability. Whether you're commuting or enjoying a spin class, you can trust it to withstand daily demands. Get back on the road in minutes. Installation is a breeze with the included tools and easy-to-follow instructions. Everything you need is right in a box. Enjoy a perfect fit on any bike, from Peloton to mountain bikes. The memory foam cushion molds to your body, while the durable, vegan-friendly faux leather ensures lasting comfort and style. Our innovative suspension system adapts to your ride. Steel springs handle bumpy outdoor terrain, while elastomer provides a smooth experience indoors, offering optimal comfort in all conditions. What we like. For those prioritizing comfort above all else, this saddle is a game-changer. Its extra-wide design, memory foam, and dual suspension system, steel springs or elastomer, provide unparalleled cushioning. It's designed for a universal fit, making it perfect for upgrading any indoor or outdoor bike. If you experience discomfort on your current bike or ride for long durations, this will transform your experience. What people say. The bike is very stable and smooth. The resistance is magnetic and quiet. It has a large HD touchscreen display. Number 3. Sunny Health and Fitness Heavy-Duty Indoor Exercise Bike. Experience a natural and smooth ride with its heavy-duty 49-pound flywheel. It ensures a consistent cycling workout every time you hop on. Simulate the feeling of real road biking with its micro-adjustable leather resistance. This provides an immersive and authentic riding experience right in your home. Enjoy a comfortable workout thanks to the high-quality, non-slip handlebar and adjustable resistance. It's designed to reduce fatigue, even during longer sessions. Focus on your exercise without distractions. The belt drive system ensures a quieter and smoother workout, letting you concentrate fully on your fitness goals. Tailor your workout perfectly with a 4-way adjustable seat and a 2-way adjustable handlebar. It adapts to your specific preferences for maximum comfort. Ride with confidence. Its strong, heavy-duty frame supports a maximum user weight of up to 275 pounds, ensuring stability and durability. Your safety is prioritized with caged pedals for enhanced security. A quick stop feature allows you to halt the spinning motion swiftly when needed. What we like. Experience a truly authentic cycling workout without leaving your home. This bike features a substantial 49 pounds flywheel for a smooth, consistent ride and micro-adjustable resistance that mimics real road biking. Its quiet belt drive system ensures you can focus on your training. If you crave the feel of outdoor cycling and a challenging cardio session, this is an excellent choice for home fitness enthusiasts. What people say. The bike is very stable and does not wobble even when you are riding hard. The resistance knob is easy to adjust and provides a good range of resistance. The seat is comfortable and adjustable, making it easy to find a good riding position. Number 2. Schwinn Fitness Recumbent Bike Series. Introducing the Schwinn Fitness Recumbent Bike Series. Experience a new level of connected fitness with advanced Bluetooth capabilities. Easily set, track, and monitor your fitness journey. It works with popular app-based tracking tools to keep you motivated. Discover over 100 global routes that dynamically adjust to your pace. Immerse yourself in new environments without leaving your home. This bike is designed to integrate seamlessly with popular cycling apps. Enhance your workouts with interactive training experiences. Choose from 13 diverse workout programs displayed on a clear 5.5-inch LCD screen. Adjust your intensity with 16 levels of magnetic resistance. Stay in your target heart rate zone with telemetry and grip heart rate monitoring. Enjoy a relaxed riding position while tracking your performance. Ride in comfort with a contoured seat and a large, vented backrest. Stay cool and supported throughout your entire workout. What we like. If you need a comfortable and low-impact cycling option, this recumbent bike is ideal. It offers a supportive, contoured seat with a backrest for maximum comfort during longer workouts. With enhanced Bluetooth connectivity and the Explore the World feature, you can virtually ride scenic routes worldwide. Consider this if you have back issues, are recovering from injury, or simply prefer a more relaxed yet effective cardio session. What people say. The bike is very sturdy and smooth. The resistance is magnetic and very quiet. It has a good range of resistance levels. Number 1. Schwinn Fitness 130 Upright Bike. Introducing the Schwinn Fitness 130 Upright Bike, designed to elevate your home workouts. Experience a new level of connectivity and performance. Stay motivated by easily setting, tracking, and monitoring your fitness progress. It connects with popular app-based tools to keep you informed. Embark on over 40 global routes that dynamically adjust to your pace. Immerse yourself in virtual journeys with our Explore the World videos. Dive into over 1,000 structured workouts and 80 virtual routes by connecting with the Zwift app. Challenge yourself with diverse training options. Choose from 13 built-in workout programs displayed on the 5.5-inch LCD screen. Find the perfect routine to match your fitness goals. Customize your intensity with 16 levels of magnetic resistance. Monitor your heart rate with telemetry or grip sensors for a targeted workout. Enjoy a comfortable ride with adjustable handlebars and an ergonomic design. It ensures a relaxed riding position, even during intense programs. What we like. For an engaging and versatile upright cycling experience, this bike is a top contender. It offers 16 levels of magnetic resistance and enhanced Bluetooth for seamless integration with apps like Zwift and its own Explore the World program. The adjustable handlebars ensure a comfortable fit for various users. If you're looking for a dynamic workout that can be tailored to your fitness level and enjoy interactive training programs, this upright bike is a great fit. What people say. The bike is very sturdy and smooth. It has a very comfortable seat and is easy to adjust. The resistance is magnetic and very quiet. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.